Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. Today's video is going to be a fun video as always. Today is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Love Dollar Tree. Who doesn't love Dollar Tree? I mean, sometimes you kind of have to look really well to find the good things, but usually you can find a lot of awesome stuff. So yeah, I think without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so let's start out with this first bag here. So for starters, I got these really cute baskets. These kind of look like the ones that we bought from, I believe, Menards, that I used to, if you watched my video, like organizing under our sink. They kind of look like these, but these were obviously cheaper. I wish they would have had the same color as the ones that I used previously, but that's okay. White works too. But they're just these little baskets. I'm not 100% sure where I'm gonna put them yet. Maybe in like our medicine cabinet. I'm not 100% sure though. But I got 4 of these. Obviously, they were $1. So yeah, I think they are so cute. And I'm all about organizing these days. So yeah, that is the first item. Next, this is a very random haul too. Nothing, like, no theme really. Next thing I got are these 2, what do they call them? They just call them containers, but they have the little Christmas trees and they say "Joy to the World" on them. But I thought my sisters and I all get together. We try to get together once a month, and we have a sister day where we'd go do something fun, or we go to one of our houses and, you know, do whatever. Like our last sister day we made tie blankets, which was really fun. So our next sister day, we are making a bunch of like goodies, Christmas goodies, cookies, all sorts. And I thought this would be perfect to put, because it's at one of my sister's houses, so when I bring the snacks, goodies home, I'll want something to put them in. So I thought this would be really nice to put a bunch of cookies in and treats. So yeah, and it's got these cute little scalloped sides on them. They had other ones. I thought this was the cutest. They had ones with like the little red truck and I think some snowflakes, but I thought these were the cutest. So I got 2 of them. And then, let's see. Oh, okay. Brent got this brush. It's just a brush, that's all it says, for his beard. He is always using my brushes, my combs and stuff for his beard. And so he got one of these to try out to see if that would work with his beard. And then Brent also got this 3-outlet power bar. So it's just like this little power strip. It's so cute. But he's going to use it for like Christmas lights and stuff. Although it isn't rated for outdoor, or at least that's what he said. But he's going to try and use it. So more power to him. All right. Next, okay. Oh, the heavy bag. Sorry, the sun is very like, it's coming out and then going away, coming out and go. So sorry about the lighting. So then I got like 5 or 6 of these bags of rocks. They're just these little white rocks. My sister gave me this idea. Oh, we're losing some. Gave me this idea for her plants. She puts these on top of like the dirt to make them not that it looks bad having the dirt showing, but like this just looks a little cleaner. And I'm like, I never thought of that. So I was walking down the aisle and we saw some different rocks, like colored rocks. And then I was looking and then Brent spotted these and I'm like, oh, those are like exactly what she had. Like, and it looked so nice. So we're going to put these over in our plants and stuff. So you still obviously water it and all that. But yeah, I was like, so I have like a bag full of these rocks. And if I'm not too lazy, I will kind of show you what it looks like. But yeah, she had an awesome, I never would have thought about that. But yeah, so there's like 6 bags of these rocks. Okay, so I will show you now the rocks in the little plants. So we've got this big, I think it looks like a weird broccoli offspring. I'm not really sure what it is, but Brent likes it. It's pretty is pretty tall. So he right now just has dirt in there. And then we have this little cactus guy. I got this from, I believe, one of my friends, Carissa. I don't remember why I got it though, but she got it for me. And it's grown a lot, and it's so cute. And then we have this little guy. He's kind of a mess. Brent did something funky to him, but he's still thriving, he's still living. So we will put some in there as well. So we've got our little rocks here. I'm gonna move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna take our little rocks here and just kind of spread them. Oh, where's the hole? There it is. Oh, it's like double bagged. Okay, then I'll sprinkle them in. Ooh, it already looks so cute. Be careful not to poke myself because I don't know if this thing is pokey. Over here, and then I'm gonna spread all that out here. Just a minute. That already looks so much nicer in there. Look at that. Now he doesn't look so grotesque looking. He's kind of an ugly guy, but I keep him because my husband likes him. So yeah, there's that one. Maybe I'll do add a little bit more. Just a little. Spread that out. And then you can kind of see inside there. And then I want to show them big. Then I'll do these next ones here. So here's what he's looking like. Put some in here, spread them around. Oh, or I missed the pot. That one I might have to kind of hand put some of these in here. Because like I said, he's kind of weird. We have a lot of weird plants. All right, move those over a little. Put some, he's missing some over on this side here. Shake that in there, get over here. Oops. All right, kind of smush those, move them around. Might put that guy back in here if he can fit. So there he is, looking all cute. And then our last little guy, well, we have others, but I'm just gonna show you these three. Add those that I had left over. Turn it this way. Ooh, there's a little mosquito in there. He's dead. All right, pour what we got left in this bag. Might have just enough. We'll see. Turn here. Oops. Oh, apparently I'm just gonna throw them on the counter. Add those. Oh, ow. Just gonna jam my thumb into there. Don't mind me. All right. I think he needs a little bit more. Yeah, I think he does. Brent's already got me a bag going here. These I might just add in right there and a little more there. There we go. There's him and his little rocks. So then I'll show you them here back at a normal angle. Okay, so we've got this cute guy with the little rocks. I love how that turned out. It's such a smart idea. My sister's so smart. I never would have thought of this. He looks a little weird, but that's okay. And then the big guy here, he is. Look how tall he is. He just keeps getting taller. And I don't know if we should pluck those bottom ones There are some actual dead ones under there we could pluck, but yeah, anyway. Okay, so we will jump back into the actual video. Also, before we go back to the regular video, I wanted to also say the rocks in your plants, especially if they're real, because we did do some to fake, the ones you saw were all real. But if you put them in the real plants, it also keeps away bugs. That's what she said, and that totally makes sense. Like, genius. Never would have thought of that. So yeah, now back to the actual video. Next, we have some cleaning products. So it looks like we have, Brent kind of picked these out. It's just some, it says LA or Laws Totally Awesome Window Clean original formula. So we have, if you have seen like any pictures or like videos of our house, we have a all glass shower. So this will be come in use, and just for windows in general. So we got some of that. Then we got some toilet bowl cleaner, the Works Classic Clean. Can't go wrong with that. And honestly, like, why wouldn't you go buy your cleaning supplies at the Dollar Tree? Like, they're cleaning supplies and they work just fine. Then we are going to try out the, again, I don't know if it's LA or Laws, Totally Awesome Bang Bathroom and Shower Cleaner. So this is another thing for the shower. We've never used this before. I believe we've used the other two before with no issues. So there's that. And we've got 2 bags left. So then we have these cute, if I can get them untangled from each other, little gold, shimmery, sparkly, glittery Christmas trees. I got 2 of them. They're so cute. If I can get them out. How darling are those? I saw some at Walmart because we stopped at Walmart before we went to the Dollar Tree, and I saw like exactly these, and they were like almost $3 for 2 of them, and I got 2 of them in more of a color that I would like. So not bad, I don't think. And then also, my mom would kill me. She hates glitter and would never let me play with it because I once got it in my eye. And so every time I see something glitter, I'm like, ooh, I need that. Okay, so then we got, I think, 3 pair of men's gloves. These are the ones where you can use your, like iPhone, your touchpad. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, and then these green ones too, which these green ones are perfect. He has a green coat. So yeah, he got these 3. I mean, and again, they're $1, so why not grab a couple of them? And then I grabbed some women's one. I probably could have like gotten the men's. They probably would have fit me just a little bit better, but I really liked this pattern. So I got 3 of these. I got 3, and these are the women sizes. Like I said, hopefully they'll fit, and if not, I can go back and grab some of the men. Not a big deal. And then last in this bag, oh my goodness, it is all glittery. I got these, what are they called? Earmuffs. And you just put them over your little ears and keep your little ears warm, because I don't like wearing a hat, so this is perfect to keep your little ears warm. I was actually kind of shocked that they fit my head. Okay, and last but certainly not least, I bought 3 different loofahs, just because you never want to run out, and you always want to be changing out your loofahs because they can get pretty gross. I mean, you know where they go and where they're washing. And they have like this gold glittery ribbon in there. You can kind of see it on the little, what do you call that? I don't know, whatever this is. But yeah, I really like the gold, so I got this kind of corally one, this green with the gold in it, and then a pink with the gold. It's so cute. Then I got some fuzzy socks because in the winter my feet get really cold, as do probably everybody else, and I really enjoy fuzzy socks. So I got these cute pink ones and these purple ones, and they're Snug-a-Doo adult socks. So can never go wrong. Then I got these. I've been on the hunt for these, the bigger clips of these, but I can't seem to find any. So I grabbed these. We will try these. These are kind of on the bigger side, but there are bigger ones. but I thought I would give these a try. Just like, I feel like they'd be easy. Like, I always have my hair up usually when I work, but I thought, let's try the clips. So, bought some clips. And the last two things we have are these little games. They're like, oh, this way, flip them around. They just come in this little itty bitty skinny box. So this, I got Candyland and I got Chutes and Ladders. I'm trying not to say a lot, but I just say it, I'm sorry. We bought these, we like to have our nieces and nephews over. And we really haven't had a lot of time to do that, like to have them come over and just hang out and it just be them. But I was like, we need to have more things to do with them or when they come over, like games to play. So I was like, this is perfect. They're $1 for these little, I'm not sure, like if you look at the back, they're just these little, they're little pieces. I don't know if you can see that at all. But yeah, they must just like pop out. Same with Chutes and Ladders. I honestly don't know how to play Chutes and Ladders. I think it's kind of like Candyland a little bit. But yeah, I thought that was so cute. And I'm like, these are perfect. We love board games just in general, and we don't have these games. So these are perfect. Okay, so that was my random Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will come back and watch other videos and new videos. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.